Baking soda, industrial name. Chemical formula is NaHCO₃. This is baking soda. Chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. In this lesson, we are going to learn preparation and importance of sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. That means preparation and importance of baking soda. So, let's begin. The first point is preparation of sodium hydrogen carbonate. That means baking soda. First of all, let's take a beaker with water. This water is saturated with sodium chloride salt. That means this water is made saturated solution of sodium chloride. Now, in this saturated solution of sodium chloride, ammonia gas is blown in this solution. After that, to the same solution, carbon dioxide gas is passed. Now, let's see what the reactions happen inside the beaker. The first reaction is carbon dioxide gas, ammonia gas, and water react with each other to form ammonium bicarbonate, which is soluble in water. Number two, this ammonium bicarbonate reacts with sodium chloride present in the beaker. Then sodium hydrogen carbonate and ammonium chloride are formed. Ammonium chloride is soluble in water, but sodium bicarbonate is sparingly soluble or less soluble in water. That is why these deposits as precipitate, and after that this solid crystalline sodium bicarbonate is separated from the beaker. In this way, we can prepare sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Now let's see importance of sodium bicarbonate or baking soda. Now the point is importance of baking soda. First of all, baking soda is used in antacid medicine, where sodium bicarbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid secreted inside the stomach. Then hydrochloric acid is neutralized by baking soda to sodium chloride salt, carbon dioxide gas, and water. So, sodium bicarbonate can neutralize hydrochloric acid inside stomach. Number two, sodium bicarbonate is used in baking powder. In baking powder, sodium bicarbonate is mixed with an acid like tartaric acid or acetic acid, where sodium bicarbonate reacts with this acid to produce carbon dioxide gas. This carbon dioxide helps bake bread and cake. This is another use of sodium bicarbonate. Number 3, sodium bicarbonate is used to prepare soda ash. Soda ash is sodium carbonate. This sodium carbonate is then converted to washing soda. Sodium carbonate, 10 molecules of water. So, sodium bicarbonate is used to prepare washing soda. Number 4, sodium bicarbonate is used in fire extinguisher. In fire extinguisher, sodium bicarbonate reacts with dilute sulfuric acid. Then sodium sulfate, carbon dioxide and water are formed. This carbon dioxide helps extinguish fire. So these are the importance of sodium bicarbonate or baking soda. No more today. Thank you very much.